Welcome to Get Into the Picture! Hi YouTube, today we got Forky and Buzz Lightyear!
Yes, so today we're going to open up a make your own Forky from Toy Story, and it's for ages 3 and up. And that's what it looks like. And this is the Buzz Lightyear, and it's a remote control figure, and this says 8+, and we found these at Five Below.
Looks like the real Buzz.
It looks like real Buzz Lightyear. Okay.
Let's get out the box.
Okay, are you ready to get out the box? Which one do you want to do? Well, which one do you want to do first?
This one.
Want to do Buzz?
Uh-huh. We got him out the box. So here's the remote controller.
Okay, it came with the remote, which is right here, and the remote takes 2 batteries, and in back of Buzz, you open this up, and then it has 3 batteries. They're all AAA. And then what you do is, you push this button, and that makes his wings, or it makes that go. And then what we do is, there's a little switch right here that you turn on, and go. That's cool. Oh, and you could put his little... Yeah, so it goes forward when you push the remote, so it makes him go. Pretty cool.
I want to see the fly. Why do you want to see my leg?
That's pretty neat. So his
Cool.
helmet goes up. You can move his arms.
Can move it like, look. Look. Oh yeah, and it has this one little laser thing.
Can you push it or no? Is it a sticker? Oh, it's just a sticker. But that's pretty neat. From Five Below.
Oh yeah, and look. You can change it like his helmet.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Next, we're gonna open Forky.
Okay, are you ready to open Forky?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's get him open. Okay, here we go.
I think you need to.
So we got it all out the box, and here's his fork,
Oh, yeah.
which is pretty cool.
Oh yeah, and look, 2 extra arms. 2 extra arms.
Okay, so are we ready to make Forky?
2 extra arms.
So it came with the
2 extra
red
arms.
wax stick, and it came with the blue wax stick, which is right here, to make his mouth. Hold on, leave it right there. And then we got the sticker, the dough. We got the dough.
Oh yeah, and
we got his eyeballs.
and
We got the little
2 arms.
popsicle stick.
And extra
yes,
arms.
for his arm.
4 extra arms, right? Right, Mom?
Yeah, no, that's for each of his arms.
Just in case, like, they come off.
Okay, so so it says easy to make and display, no glue, no mess. So are we ready? Are we ready to make Forky? Are you ready to make Forky?
Yeah. Yes, I am.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, we ready?
Uh-huh. Here and here.
Okay, so should we put his eyes on?
Yeah, until.
Okay, let's get his eyes
Did I
on.
put them on?
Yep.
His eyeballs look cool, don't they?
Okay, so there's Forky right there.
Whoa. This is like a real actual giant spoon, right?
Yep.
That's
Okay,
just
here we
like
go. Okay, I'm gonna undo it so it comes like this. Okay, set it in the bigger hole. So you put his eyeballs on.
Did
you press it?
Like it did.
Did you press it hard? Okay. Now put the little eyeball in. You gotta press it down.
Why does he got one big eyeball and one little eyeball? Hey, look.
Okay, let me see.
Jiggle.
Okay, so we put his eyeballs on. Okay, next. Should we do the arms?
Yeah. You mean hands?
I'm gonna see hands.
He said arms.
Okay, so we got one hand.
Whoa.
We got one
That's
hand
how it
on.
looks?
Uh-huh.
One hand.
And then you just kind of just wrap it
It's cool, doesn't he?
around
Oh,
I just wrapped it
now I
around.
get it.
to make his hands.
It's easy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's
So
how
like,
it's gonna be hard.
help me, help
Oh,
me.
yeah. And put
Okay.
it put on the mouth.
And then
Where's his
we gotta do his
Wait, where's his mouth?
mouth. Okay, hold on. We gotta do his mouth
Wait,
is
it's right here.
right here. So we take some of this, the wax,
The blue wax.
the blue wax, and
I think
then
you're supposed to cut it.
we'll just cut a little.
That. Whoa! Isn't that cool?
Yeah, so we made his little mouth. Where are we gonna put? Where do we put it?
It's right there.
Right there.
Whoa!
We got his little
On the
mouth.
sea.
Okay, hold on, we're not done.
And you can change
We
it.
gotta do his like his little eyebrow.
It's like a line.
Yeah.
Look.
So we gotta do his
Look,
little
you like it?
eyebrow.
Look, I made it smile. Now next,
And then
the
this is the one part that we do that has
oh
the
yeah, and it comes with sticks for his feet. Oh
this
yeah,
is the dough and it says
and we need this.
yeah, so this we have the sticks for his feet and then this is the dough and the dough says it
Oh, yeah,
takes
and we need this.
24 hours before playing with them
We
to
need the
dry.
sticker.
So we'll have to let them dry for 24 hours.
You mean the duck?
Mm-hmm. But it's cool
No.
because you gotta set it on there. Like
Come on.
you set
I
him
have to put it on like this.
and then you
have to put
set him
the
in
sticker.
there.
Put a sticker like this. Put a sticker.
Yeah, and then you put the sticker, but you just let the dough dry if you're gonna want to play with them like a, hold on, Kaden. Hold on. Let's put a little more. You gonna put it on that? No. Put it, hold on. Hold on, Kaden. You have to put it on the other foot.
Can I
Or give it? Yeah, you can put it right there. And then what we're gonna do is we're going, no, you gotta leave it in there. So we're gonna leave it in here like this. Okay, leave it, hold on. So basically what we have to do is we have to leave it for 24 hours to let it dry and then you can play with it. So that's pretty cool. Okay, Kaden, it's rating time.
Yes! I was waiting for it.
Okay, so for both toys, we're gonna rate both toys. You're gonna give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. What are you going to give the Buzz Lightyear? Thumbs up? Yeah? What's your favorite part? The remote? Do you like how it goes?
Oh yeah, and the favorite part how the arm moves.
The arms move.
Oh yeah, and look.
And your DIY forky.
Oh yeah, and this, look.
Oh, you
And
like
look
that part
back
too? Okay, so if you're going to rate the forky, the DIY, do you want to give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Thumbs up, baby!
What's your favorite part?
The smile, how
You like his smile?
Uh-huh.
And that's how he looks. So everyone can see. And then it's like that. And then we're just going to let him, whoops! We got to put it back in. We got to put it back in. And we got to let it, yeah, you got to leave it. So we're going to have to let it get hard and get dry. But that was pretty cool. Yeah, I think that's cute, especially if you're a Toy Story fan and you love Toy Story stuff. Awesome. Right?
this is a cool toy. What's this? How do you... Okay, what's this?
That's neat.
Bye, YouTube. Thank